Hi everybody, it's your girl Kim and I'm back again with another video, another haul. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back and checking my videos out. I truly do appreciate it. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people who watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, no matter if it's candle reviews, vlogs, hauls, whatever, you watching it. Shout out to you because you are my MVP of the channel, and because of you I keep posting. Thank you for always supporting your girl. I truly appreciate it. Also, y'all, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments. Let me know what have you been buying lately from the semi-annual sale. We still have a couple of weeks to go. They posting a lot of 75% items now online, which is totally shocking because they haven't did that in a while. At first it was just 75% in stores only, but they decided to put some stuff online for 75%. So if you bought anything for 50% and it's now 75%, make sure you go back to the store and get a price adjustment because it is within the 14-day period. So you can do that even if you ordered online. I know I ordered some stuff for 50% online. I think is in this order, I'm not for sure, but I will be making a call trying to get that adjustment. So yeah, so make sure you do that, get your money back so you can have more money for buying more items. So like I said, this is going to be on a haul. I got this big old box, so we're gonna see. Fingers crossed nothing is broke, nothing is loose, nothing has spilled or leaked, hopefully. So let's open this box, let's get into it. Like I said, make sure y'all get your price adjustment, so while you can do that. Okay, the first items I got, of course, these items is 75% now, but they were 50% when I got them. I got the coconut lime body wash. I absolutely love this stuff. Absolutely love it. Coconut cream, lime, and saltwater waves is the scent notes. Yes, you can probably still find the body mist still in stores, as well as the body cream, but as far as this, I haven't been seeing this in a lot of people, well, in a lot of stores in my area. This was the first thing to sell out in my area. It's Denim and Daisy. I don't remember ordering this one. Denim and Daisy, the body cream and the body lotion. The scent notes is Daisy, Denim, Citrus. That's the scent notes in this, but I don't remember ordering this, but I guess I did because it is on here. But I think I'm going to return this because I actually already have it. Cotton Candy Cloud. Everybody is talking about this Cotton Candy Cloud and how it's supposed to smell like. Boardwalk Taffy. I don't know, haven't smelled it, and this is the first year I actually bought Boardwalk Taffy. So yeah, scent notes in this is sugar, berries, and vanilla. Sugar, pink berries, and whipped vanilla. So again, body wash and body lotion. This Candy Violet Sherbet, Candy Violet Sherbet, which is violet petals, vanilla sherbet, blackberry swirl. I got this in my last haul. I got the body lotion. Is this the body lotion? No, the body cream. I got the body cream, so yeah, finally received this one. It's the tie-dye, pink tie-dye. Dang, what in the heck? Look at the back of the bottle. Wow, that's what y'all doing now, Bath and Body Works. This looked like this was just scraped all over the floor. Wow. The scent notes is Pink Lady Apple, Lotus, and Cotton Blossom. Yes. I think I bought the body lotion. I think I got the lotion in this, but I don't think I received it yet. I'm waiting on that order to come. And again, these items was 50% along with the denim and daisy. All of these were 50%. Well, actually everything is 50%. It's just that now this has been marked down to 75. Some hand soap, again 50%. And the only reason why I got this hand soap is because I want this one. This is the only one that I want, is this. All of the other ones, I don't know. This pink petal tea cake, my husband hated. He do not like it at all. So what I might do is I might, no, I think I'm gonna keep them all. I'm gonna keep them all because I actually still have like 4 or 3 of these. But what's in here is the strawberry pound cake, the coconut pie, the coconut cream pie, champagne toast, pink petal tea cake, and a lavender marshmallow is everything that's in here. Yeah. So yeah, got that for 50%. I need to check the website and see if it has been reduced to 75, but I really don't think it has. So next I got a few candles that I really just wanted to exchange out. I think I was just really using my coupon that I had. It's the reason why I got a lot of this stuff. And this one is Fresh Spring Morning. I actually already have one of these, and this is actually pretty good. So yeah, good. It's not broke or anything, so I'm happy about that. It's Paris Cafe. I already own, I think, 1 or 2 of these already. Like I said, I was just getting things because I wanted to use my coupon. I did not want my coupon to go to waste. So yes, I don't think I did a coupon. I think I was just getting some stuff. So yeah, I decided to just get this Paris Cafe. I actually really like the jar. I love these just plain little jars. And as you, if y'all don't know, this is a coffee scented candle, and they always have it. So that's this candle. Everybody should know this candle because this is like in the core collection. They always have this. So if you love coffee scented candles, here you go. This is a must-have. Amazing candle. Spiced vanilla cake. This candle is so good. Oh my goodness, I really like this candle, and I think this is my 2nd or either 3rd one. Yeah, this candle is good. So good. You get the spices, you get the cake. This is good. Yes, if you have not picked this one up yet, I highly recommend it. This is really good. If you love that spicy vanilla like, this is good. This is so good. So yeah, this was the last item I got. Like I said, y'all, this wasn't a big haul. I do have another order coming. I believe I'm gonna go back to the store maybe Monday or Tuesday, sometime next week. I'm gonna go back to the store, check out the 75% items, see what they have. But like I said, this wasn't a big order at all. I think I ordered this stuff on the first day of semi-annual sale. Yes, the first day of semi-annual sale is when I ordered this stuff, and of course I'm just getting it. I actually got it yesterday, Saturday I mean. But yeah, I'm just now getting time to record the video. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up. Let me know what have you been finding at your stores. Any good 75% candles? What have you been ordering online? Let me know that at the bottom. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. Also, don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. I keep on forgetting to say that. Follow your girl on Instagram. We almost at 1K. We almost there, y'all. So follow me over there. If you follow me over here, you might as well go on over there and follow me. I post all kind of stuff. My daily candle. Also on my storyline, I post like lifestyle posts, you know, just different things that I'm doing. So yeah, go over there and follow me over there. And I guess that's gonna be it. Do all those things, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.